I'm Ken.
I'm Kowloon.
Today I'm talking of our project. This of our project background, producing an industrial style tricycle. Let me introduce of our project outline. I will talking about the project background and the production procedure, and Kowloon will talk about the discussion, including description of tricycle, test result, and then the challenging encounter and solution. Finally, I will talk about the conclusion, including the summary. Let's talk about the project background. A tricycle is a means of transportation transported from a bicycle, which can carry out the people and goods. It became very popular after 1930s and gradually replaced the standard of visual tricycle can be divided into manpower tricycle and electronic tricycle. In this case, we have decided to build a tricycle with a fun twist. Let's talk about the project objective. The minimum standard of this project is to provide mobility. What we hope is that it can become our means of transportation. The bicycle should be able to be controlled easily and lightweight. Our design should have the following characteristics, including the lightweight, cheap, easy to store, and then suitable for most ages, easy to assemble, and then environmentally friendly. Let's talk about the methodology. First, our team stay together to discuss design and for the industrial style tricycle. After that, we prepare the required materials, then we produced an industrial style tricycle. Finally, we tested the tricycle for the loadability and the functions of the wheels. Now, I'll pass it on to Tom.
So I'm going to talk about the production processes step by step. The following steps were taken to produce the industrial style tricycle. First, we're going to prepare the materials, included galvanized steel pipes, rubber front wheels, front fork, iron square tubes, 2 plastic back wheels, and stainless steel solid metal sheets. Then we're going to cut the material size to the specifications, like, for example, the steel pipes to 48 millimeters by 630 millimeters. Also, 35 millimeters by 89 millimeters. And for the iron square tube, the specification would be 30 millimeters by 370 millimeters and 330 millimeters by 445 millimeters. Precision adjustment with the hand tools to match the parts and shape angles. So we're gonna weld all the parts together into a bike frame. This is me, I'm welding the bike frame as it shows. Then we're gonna spray paint the bike frame. And then we'll also do the overall assembly of the front fork, the bearings, the handlebars, top caps, wheels, seat, and the pedal brakes. After that, we're going to do the bike testing. So this is the production processes. So here we have a list of materials and tools that we're going to show you. We'll just read it out. Material we use is galvanized steel pipes, rubber front wheels, aluminum front fork, bearings, iron square tubes, stainless steel sheets, plastic wheels, bike handles, and pedal brakes. And the tools we use is metal lathe machines, welding machines, bench vise, rasp file, half round rasp file, bow saw, blind rivet guns and rivets, sheet metal cutters, the cutting machines, and the sheet metal folding machines. So this is the specifications of the bike. So the size is 1173 millimeters by 700 millimeters. The color should be blue. It was made from stainless steel, aluminum, and iron, and plastic. So there's like a feature, it is one rubber front wheel and two plastic back wheel to let it drift. So functionality is to transport in a fun way and also promote our POAC center, the Mechanical Engineering Center. So challenge encountered and solutions. Problem 1. Due to the melting point of the differences of aluminum, which is 660 degrees Celsius, and the cast iron, 1204 degrees Celsius. It is easy to melt the aluminum during the welding process. So the solution is we make sure the weld pole contacts the aluminum with the least amount of time to avoid the chance of melting the front fork. Although this might lower the structural integrity of the part, we simply welded more beads to the front fork to fix the issue. Problem 2. The front fork is too long, which results in the brake system is way higher than the proper position of the front wheel brake track. So the solution is we fabricated two identical aluminum plates to extend the brake pad holder. Therefore, the brake pads are in the correct position to contact with the front wheel brake shaft.
Thanks, Kowloon. The conclusion, the results of this project were likely appreciated by our team members. The project was completed as quickly as we had intended. Therefore, we can execute a lot more testing, which we can identify all the issues to improve our tricycle. The final product implement most of functionality of our interior design, which feature higher power efficiency, safety system, easy of manufacturing, and higher reliability. This is the end of our project. Thank you very much.
So here's the bike we built. So let's talk about the second problem we had before. This is a solution, which is the aluminum plate that is identical on both sides, which extend the brakes to the point to touch the brake tracks. Also, the seats are way lower and backwards on the bike due to the fact that the lower of center of the gravity can actually help the bike to drift. Now let's ask Ken to demonstrate how to drive this bike.
Thank you.
Please.
Okay.